Well, here we go, recording our snowfall this morning, and it just squashed our trees down, something fierce. Broke a lot of them off. Just bent these guys, these aspens, clear over to the ground. I knocked the snow off them this morning. Broke some of our little box alders, just split them. It's melted down a little bit since early this morning. There was about 6 inches on the vehicles. I'll show you this view here. This is down our driveway, and I've already cleared a bunch of limbs off the driveway, but we lost a bunch of limbs. But then fortunately, I moved the truck and horse trailer out of here knowing this might happen, but this is our big cottonwood tree here. Usually park the horse trailer right there, and I moved it, but you can see that this thing just took a thrash, and it's just got limbs everywhere. Another view of this guy. We're going to have a mess to clean up. And then out on the pasture, it's the same way all over. We just got trees down all on the fence lines. It's kind of what it did to all these trees. It just bent them over. The only ones that fare really well are these big fir trees that, they're built for snow, so it doesn't bother them. You hear that? Another tree limb just broke off over here, right across the other side of the pasture. Just crashed down. Been doing that all morning, all over. Really not going to walk out under any of these cottonwoods or any of these alders, these big ones. It's just too dangerous today. This is one that came down this morning when I was opening the gate for Rachel. This is our a couple of crabapple trees we've got in the back, and they're just bowed down, but they haven't broke yet. There's a Russian olive that came down last night over across the pasture. It's one of our big apple trees. It's still hanging in there, but it's just weighted down. You can still see the apples on it. And all these little alders are just crushed. There's a view of that big cottonwood that's been shedding limbs. Here's one I just found. I didn't see that this morning. Another limb just cracked and came down. This whole back fence line's crushed down. I don't know if they're broke or just hanging there, but they definitely unplugged the electric fence. There's one there that's bowed over. Looks like he's about ready to go. There's that big crab apple. I don't know how he's holding on. And there's the water ditch back there, and it's all just crushed down. Wow. What a storm.